तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? What do you want? What do you want? कुछ भी तो नहीं. Nothing. Nothing. मेरे सिर में दर्द है. I have a headache. I have a headache. उसे सब पता है. He knows everything. He knows everything. क्या हो गया? What happened? What happened? कैसे हो गया? How did this happen? How did this happen? चिंता मत करो. Don't worry. Don't worry. ध्यान से. Be careful. Be careful. वो सही कह रहा है. He is right. He is right. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. I am always with you. I am always with you. क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? बाहर मत खेलो. Don't play outside. Don't play outside. ये तुम्हारा वहम है. It's your illusion. It's your illusion. मैं यहाँ खासकर आपसे मिलने आया हूँ. I came here specially to meet you. I came here specially to meet you. क्या तुम अभी अभी उठी हो? Did you just wake up? Did you just wake up? ये सब क्या है? What is all this? What is all this? मैं थोड़ा ले लूं? Can I take a little bit? Can I take a little bit? अभी नहीं. Not yet. Not yet. पर मुझे अभी चाहिए था. But I wanted it right now. But I wanted it right now. कुछ गड़बड़ है क्या? Is something wrong? Is something wrong? नहीं, कुछ भी गड़बड़ नहीं है. No, nothing is wrong. No, nothing is wrong. खुश रहो. Stay happy. Stay happy. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? हमारे साथ चलो. Come with us. Come with us. हमारे पास समय है. We have time. We have time. मैं आपको बहुत याद करती हूँ. I miss you a lot. I miss you a lot. बाद में बात करते हैं. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. क्या आप उसे देख सकते हैं? Can you see her? Can you see her? संपर्क में रहना. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. मैं तुम्हारे साथ नहीं आ रहा हूँ. I am not coming with you. I am not coming with you. मैं आस-पास ही था. I was around. I was around. सब बेकार है. Everything is useless. Everything is useless. ऐसा कभी मत करना. Never do so. Never do so. मुझे आपकी सलाह चाहिए. I want your advice. I want your advice. आप मुझे कैसे जानते हैं? How do you know me? How do you know me? क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? मुझे तुम पर गर्व है. I am proud of you. I am proud of you. आज बारिश हो सकती है. It may rain today. It may rain today. ऐसा मत करो. Don't do this. Don't do this. तुम उदास क्यों हो? Why are you upset? Why are you upset? वह अच्छा लग रहा है. He looks good. He looks good. वह मेरा है. That is mine. That is mine. आइए शुरू करें. Let's get started. Let's get started. खाना खाओ. Eat food. Eat food. जाओ नहीं. Don't go. Don't go. मैं तुमसे बाद में मिलती हूँ. I will catch you later. I will catch you later. इसे जल्दी करो. Do it fast. Do it fast. मैं अविवाहित हूँ. I am single. I am single. इसे करो. Do it. Do it. मैं पहले से ही तनावग्रस्त हूँ. I am already stressed. I am already stressed. उसे अंदर लाओ. Bring him in. Bring him in. ज़्यादा मत बोलो. Don't talk too much. Don't talk too much. मेरी तरफ देखो. Look at me. Look at me. मेरी सलाह मानो. Take my advice. Take my advice. बाहर कदम मत रखना. Don't step outside. Don't step outside. कृपया धीरे धीरे बोलें. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. तुम्हारी तबीयत ठीक है ना? Are you feeling well? Are you feeling well? तुमने ऐसा क्यों कहा? Why did you say that? Why did you say that? मुझे एक तकिया चाहिए. I need a pillow. I need a pillow. मैं खुद ही चला जाऊंगा. I will go myself. I will go myself. तुम खुद ही चले जाओ. You go yourself. You go yourself. तुम्हें क्या हुआ? What happened to you? What happened to you? कपड़े सुखा दो. Put the clothes to dry. Put the clothes to dry. मुझे 5 बजे उठा देना. Get me up at 5 o'clock. Get me up at 5 o'clock. तुम बहुत बदतमीज हो. You are ill-mannered. You are ill-mannered. क्या तुम एक काम करोगे? Will you do one thing? Will you do one thing? तुम्हारा कोई भरोसा नहीं. You are not reliable. You are not reliable. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? एक बार कोशिश करो. Try at once. Try at once. बोल कर पढ़ो. Read out. Read out. समय पर आना. Come on time. Come on time. थोड़ी चाय ले आना. Get some tea. Get some tea. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. हिचकिचाओ मत. Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate. अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल है. It's hard to guess. It's hard to guess. क्या हम खेल सकते हैं? Can we play? Can we play? बारिश हो रही है. It's raining. It's raining. बैठ जाओ. Sit down. Sit down. मेरे साथ चलो. Come with me. Come with me. हल्ला मत करो. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. लड़ाई मत करो. Don't fight. Don't fight. कोई है क्या? Is someone there? Is someone there? जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. There is no need to go. There is no need to go. थोड़ा जल्दी करो. Hurry up a bit. Hurry up a bit. तुम इसे कर सकते हो. You can do it. You can do it. यह सब है. This is all. This is all. क्या तुम खुश हो? Are you happy? Are you happy? इसे मत कहो. Don't say it. Don't say it. उसे बताओ. Tell her. Tell her. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. यह कैसे हुआ? How did this happen? How did this happen? क्या यह काम करेगा? Will it work? Will it work? इसे मत छुओ. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. वापस जाओ. Go back. Go back. मुझे देखो. Look at me. Look at me. हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Where are we going? Where are we going? हम घर जा रहे हैं. We are going to home. We are going to home. मैं चाय नहीं पीता हूँ. I don't drink tea. I don't drink tea. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? फूल मत तोड़ो. Don't pluck flowers. Don't pluck flowers. तुम कितने सुस्त हो. You are so dull. You are so dull. उसका पीछा करो. Follow him. Follow him. ऊपर जाओ. Go upstairs. Go upstairs. ईर्ष्या मत करो. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. मुझे समझ नहीं आता. I don't understand. I don't understand. मेरी बातों का बुरा मत मानो. Don't mind my words. Don't mind my words. तकलीफ देने के लिए माफी चाहता हूँ. Sorry to bother you. Sorry to bother you. अपने दिमाग का इस्तेमाल करो. Use your brain. Use your brain. मुझे घर छोड़ दो. Drop me home. Drop me home. उसे गाली मत दो. Don't abuse him. Don't abuse him. कल मिलते हैं. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. इसे दिल पर मत लो. Don't take it to heart. Don't take it to heart. जो मेरा मन करेगा मैं वो करूँगा. I will do whatever I feel. I will do whatever I feel. मैं नाराज हूँ. I am pissed off. I am pissed off. मुझे तुम्हारी दया नहीं चाहिए. I don't want your pity. I don't want your pity. तुम कुछ कहो. You say something. You say something. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are awesome. You are awesome. यह किसका नंबर है? Whose number is this? Whose number is this? उससे बात करो. Talk to him. Talk to him. मैंने बहुत सफाई की. I cleared it up. I cleared it up. मैं बहुत बढ़िया हूँ. और तुम? I am great. And you? I am great. And you? बहुत देर हो चुकी है. It's too late. It's too late. अच्छा खाओ. Eat healthy. Eat healthy. क्या तुम्हें सच में लगता है उसे सब पता है? Are you sure he knows everything? Are you sure he knows everything? मुझे यह करने दो. Let me do this. Let me do this. आगे बढ़ो. Move forward. Move forward. पीछे जाओ. Move back. Move back. कितना प्यारा है. How cute. How cute. क्या मैं एक दिन की छुट्टी ले लूं? Can I take a day off? Can I take a day off? कल मेरी छुट्टी है. Tomorrow is my day off. Tomorrow is my day off. मुझे छींकें आ रही हैं. I am sneezing. I am sneezing. मुझे रोज हिचकियां आती हैं. I hiccup every day. I hiccup every day. वास्तव में उसने क्या कहा था? What did she actually say? What did she actually say? भूलना मत. Don't forget. Don't forget. मैं हिल नहीं सकता. I can't move. I can't move. उसे ढूंढने दो. Let him find out. Let him find out. यह ठीक है. It is fine. It is fine. मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ता हूँ. I study English. I study English. मुझे वापस कॉल करना. Call me back. Call me back. तुम गलत हो. You are wrong. You are wrong. धीरे धीरे चलो. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. मुझे भूख नहीं है. I am not hungry. I am not hungry. यहाँ रुको. Stay here. Stay here. क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? मुझे माफ कर दो. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. तुम्हारी जेब में क्या है? What's in your pocket? What's in your pocket? जोर से बोलो. Speak loudly. Speak loudly. कुछ काम कर लो. Do some work. Do some work. थोड़ी देर इंतजार करो. Wait for a while. Wait for a while. मेरा पीछा मत करो. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. चलो घूमने चलें. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. तुम क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? आप मेरी मदद करो. Help me up. Help me up. खाली मत बैठो. Don't sit idle. Don't sit idle. क्या तुम ठीक हो? Are you okay? Are you okay? भगवान तुम्हारा भला करे. God bless you. God bless you. सीधे बैठो. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. Or you can say sit upright. Sit upright. मुझे लगता है. I think so. I think so. उसने कभी मेरी परवाह नहीं की. He never cared for me. He never cared for me. आप मेरा समय बर्बाद कर रहे हैं. You are wasting my time. You are wasting my time. आप होश में तो हैं? Are you in your senses? Are you in your senses? मुझे ऐसा लगता है. I think so. I think so. मैं खो गया हूँ. I am lost. I am lost. मैं मना करता हूँ. I decline. I decline. मैं घर पर हूँ. I am at home. I am at home. मजे करो. Have fun. Have fun. रहने भी दो. Forget it. Forget it. आराम से. Relax. Relax. आँख मत मारो. Don't wink. Don't wink. ध्यान रहे. Watch out. Watch out. मैं समझ गया. I see. I see. मैं अविवाहित हूँ. I am single. I am single. मैं सब कुछ देखता हूँ. I observe everything. I observe everything. क्या सब तैयार हैं? Is everyone ready? Is everyone ready? चुगली मत करो. Don't backbite. Don't backbite. टेंशन मत लो. Don't take tension. Don't take tension. अपनी हद में रहो. Stay in your limits. Stay in your limits. सावधान. Be careful. Be careful. मैं समझ सकता हूँ. I can understand. I can understand. तुम बहुत मासूम हो. You are so innocent. You are so innocent. 3 दिन से पानी नहीं आ रहा है. No water supply for 3 days. No water supply for 3 days. क्या खुशबू है. What a fragrance. What a fragrance. मैंने इसे अभी बनाया है. I just made it. I just made it. क्या सब ठीक है? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? मुझे पता था. I knew it. I knew it. क्या वो चला गया? Has he gone? Has he gone? वो अब यहाँ नहीं है. He is no longer here. He is no longer here. यह एक लंबी कहानी है. It's a long story. It's a long story. बाद में मत पछताना. Don't regret later. Don't regret later. इतने कंजूस मत बनो. Don't be such a miser. Don't be such a miser. यह मेरी किस्मत है. It is my fate. It is my fate. सोच समझकर जवाब देना. Answer me thoughtfully. Answer me thoughtfully. यह मेहमानों के लिए है. This is for the guests. This is for the guests. तुम्हारी जेब में क्या है? What is in your pocket? What is in your pocket? कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. यह क्यों हुआ? Why did this happen? Why did this happen? यह बहुत ज़रूरी है. This is very important. This is very important. क्या यह पक्का है? Is it certain? Is it certain? इसे पकड़ो. Hold this. Hold this. यह मेरी गलती है. It's my fault. It's my fault. मैंने किया. I did it. I did it. तुम सही हो. You are right. You are right. मैं कोशिश करूँगा. I will try. I will try. तुम्हें कुछ चाहिए? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? ध्यान रखना. Take care. Take care. इसे अभी करो. Do it right now. Do it right now. क्या तुम आओगे? Will you come? Will you come? यह मेरी पसंद है. It is my choice. It is my choice. वह सही है. He is right. He is right. क्या यह सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? इसे समझो. Understand this. Understand this. यह मत भूलो. Don't forget this. Don't forget this. यह बहुत अच्छा है. This is great. This is great. मुझे यह करने दो. Let me do this. Let me do this. ईर्ष्या मत करो. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. मुझे समझ नहीं आता. I don't understand. I don't understand. मैं अंग्रेजी पढ़ता हूँ. I study English. I study English. मुझे वापस कॉल करना. Call me back. Call me back. तुम गलत हो. You are wrong. You are wrong. धीरे धीरे चलो. Walk slowly. Walk slowly. मुझे भूख नहीं है. I am not hungry. I am not hungry. यहाँ रुको. Stay here. Stay here. मैं सब कुछ देखता हूँ. I observe everything. I observe everything. यह मेरी किस्मत है. It is my fate. It is my fate. सोच समझकर जवाब देना. Answer me thoughtfully. Answer me thoughtfully. यह मेहमानों के लिए है. This is for the guests. This is for the guests. तुम्हारी जेब में क्या है? What is in your pocket? What is in your pocket? शांत हो जाओ. Calm down. Calm down. तुम कहाँ हो? Where are you? Where are you? मुझे कॉल मत करो. Don't call me. Don't call me. सावधान, बी केयरफुल, बी केयरफुल। मैं समझ सकता हूँ, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड। तुम बहुत मासूम हो, यू आर सो इनोसेंट, यू आर सो इनोसेंट। 3 दिन से पानी नहीं आ रहा है, नो वाटर सप्लाई फॉर 3 days, नो वाटर सप्लाई फॉर 3 days। गाड़ी रोको, स्टॉप द कार, स्टॉप द कार। तुम बहुत पतले हो, यू आर सो थिन, यू आर सो थिन। यह कब और कैसे हुआ, हाउ एंड व्हेन डिड इट हैपन, हाउ एंड व्हेन डिड इट हैपन। वापस आओ, कम बैक, कम बैक। यह बेकार है, इट्स यूजलेस, इट्स यूजलेस। मेरे बाद दोहराओ, रिपीट आफ्टर मी, रिपीट आफ्टर मी। मैं चल नहीं सकता, आई कांट वॉक, आई कांट वॉक। यह कैसे हुआ, हाउ डिड इट हैपन, हाउ डिड इट हैपन। चलो छुपना छुपनी खेलते हैं, लेट्स प्ले हाइड एंड सीक, लेट्स प्ले हाइड एंड सीक। मेरी बात सुनो, लिसन टू मी, लिसन टू मी। कुछ खास, समथिंग स्पेशल, समथिंग स्पेशल। इसे मत करो, डोंट डू इट, डोंट डू इट। आप मेरी मदद करो, हेल्प मी अप, हेल्प मी अप। खाली मत बैठो, डोंट सिट आइडल, डोंट सिट आइडल। क्या तुम ठीक हो, आर यू ओके, आर यू ओके। भगवान तुम्हारा भला करे, गॉड ब्लेस यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू। सीधे बैठो, सिट अप स्ट्रेट, सिट अप स्ट्रेट। मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ हूँ, आई ऑलवेज विद यू, आई ऑलवेज विद यू। क्या सोच रहे हो, वट आर यू थिंकिंग, वट आर यू थिंकिंग। बाहर मत खेलो, डोंट प्ले आउटसाइड, डोंट प्ले आउटसाइड। तुमने ऐसा जानबूझकर किया, यू डिड दिस डिलाइबरेटली, यू डिड दिस डिलाइबरेटली। वह एक जिद्दी बच्चा है, ही इज अ स्टबर्न चाइल्ड, ही इज अ स्टबर्न चाइल्ड। मैंने आपको उल्लू बनाया, आई ट्रिक्ड यू, आई ट्रिक्ड यू। कुछ कहने की जरूरत नहीं है, नो नीड टू से एनीथिंग, नो नीड टू से एनीथिंग। मुझे रुलाओ मत, डोंट मेक मी क्राई, डोंट मेक मी क्राई। इतना मेरे लिए काफी है, दैट्स इनफ फॉर मी, दैट्स इनफ फॉर मी। मुझे छींकें आ रही हैं, आई एम स्नीजिंग, आई एम स्नीजिंग। मुझे रोज हिचकियां आती हैं, आई हिकअप एवरी डे, आई हिकअप एवरी डे। वास्तव में उसने क्या कहा था, वट डिड शी एक्चुअली से, वट डिड शी एक्चुअली से। भूलना मत, डोंट फॉरगेट, डोंट फॉरगेट। मैं हिल नहीं सकता, आई कांट मूव, आई कांट मूव। उसे ढूंढने दो, लेट हिम फाइंड आउट, लेट हिम फाइंड आउट। क्या खुशबू है। What a fragrance. What a fragrance. मैंने इसे अभी बनाया है। I just made it. I just made it. क्या सब ठीक है? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? मुझे पता था। I knew it. I knew it. क्या वो चला गया? Has he gone? Has he gone? वो अब यहाँ नहीं है। He is no longer here. He is no longer here. यह एक लंबी कहानी है। It's a long story. It's a long story. बाद में मत पछताना। Don't regret later. Don't regret later. इतने कंजूस मत बनो। Don't be such a miser. Don't be such a miser. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। I liked it a lot. I liked it a lot. उसे बोलने दो। Let her speak. Let her speak. इसे सही करो। Fix it. Fix it. इसे अभी करो। Do it now. Do it now. मैं सो रहा हूँ। I am sleeping. I am sleeping. वह बहुत अच्छा है। He is very nice. He is very nice. इसे ले लो। Take it. Take it. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो। You are very good. You are very good. क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? क्या तुमने देखा? Did you see it? Did you see it? हमें यह चाहिए। We need this. We need this. मुझे यह चाहिए। I want this. I want this. इसे ध्यान से करो। Do it carefully. Do it carefully. क्या वह यहाँ है? Is he here? Is he here? मुझे यह पसंद है। I like this. I like this. तुमने क्या कहा? What did you say? What did you say? मुझे समझ नहीं आया। I didn't understand. I didn't understand. इसे मेरे पास रखो। Keep it with me. Keep it with me. वह कब आएगा? When will he come? When will he come? यह बहुत अच्छा है। This is very good. This is very good. उसे बताओ। Tell him. Tell him. इसे नीचे रखो। Put it down. Put it down. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? वह कहाँ जा रहा है? Where is he going? Where is he going? मुझे यह पसंद है। I like this. I like this. हमें इंतज़ार करना है। We have to wait. We have to wait. वह काम कर रहा है। He is working. He is working. मुझे मत बताओ। Don't tell me. Don't tell me. मुझे यह चाहिए। I need this. I need this. इसे ठीक करो। Fix this. Fix this. यह सही है। This is right. This is right. मुझे कुछ बताओ। Tell me something. Tell me something. क्या यह सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? हमें यह करना है। We have to do this. We have to do this. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो। You are very nice. You are very nice. उसे वापस बुलाओ। Call him back. Call him back. मुझे समय चाहिए. I need time. I need time. इसे तुरंत करो. Do it immediately. Do it immediately. क्या वह यहाँ है? Is she here? Is she here? उसे बोलने दो. Let him talk. Let him talk. वह पढ़ रहा है. He is studying. He is studying. मुझे अभी चाहिए. I need it now. I need it now. हमें जाना होगा. We have to go. We will have to go. तुम क्या सोच रहे हो? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? इसे मेरे पास लाओ. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. हमें समय चाहिए. We need time. We need time. तुम गलत हो. You are wrong. You are wrong. इसे बंद करो. Turn it off. Turn it off. तुम बहुत पतले हो. You are so thin. You are so thin. यह कब और कैसे हुआ? How and when did it happen? How and when did it happen? वापस आओ. Come back. Come back. यह बेकार है. It's useless. It's useless. मेरे बाद दोहराओ. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. मैं चल नहीं सकता. I can't walk. I can't walk. यह कैसे हुआ? How did it happen? How did it happen? मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. कुछ खास. Something special. Something special. इसे मत करो. Don't do it. Don't do it. यह हमारा कर्तव्य है. It's our duty. It's our duty. मेरा हाथ छोड़ो. Let go of my hand. Let go of my hand. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. क्या मुसीबत है? What a bother. What a bother. गाड़ी धीरे चलाओ. Drive slowly. Drive slowly. आप जा सकते हैं. You can go. You can go. मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ. I am leaving now. I am leaving now. विनम्रता से बात करें. Speak politely. Speak politely. यह तुम्हारे बस का नहीं है. It's not a cup of tea for you. It's not a cup of tea for you. अनदेखा करना सीखो. Learn to ignore. Learn to ignore. तुम बहुत मेहनती हो. You are very hardworking. You are very hardworking. उसने मुझसे झूठ बोला. He lied to me. He lied to me. क्या तुमने अपना काम कर लिया? Did you finish your work? Did you finish your work? हम इसे कल करेंगे. We will do it tomorrow. We will do it tomorrow. उसने सब कुछ समझा लिया. He understood everything. He understood everything. क्या वह अभी तक यहाँ है? Is he still here? Is he still here? मुझे मदद की ज़रूरत है. I need help. I need help. यह मेरी गलती नहीं थी. It was not my fault. It was not my fault. उसने कुछ नहीं किया. He did nothing. He did nothing. क्या तुमने उसे बुलाया? Did you call him? Did you call him? मैं आज बहुत व्यस्त हूँ. I am very busy today. I am very busy today. उसने मुझसे कुछ नहीं कहा. He didn't say anything to me. He didn't say anything to me. तुमने इसे बहुत अच्छा बनाया. You made it very well. You made it very well. हमें एक नई योजना बनानी चाहिए. We should make a new plan. We should make a new plan. उसने मुझे माफ कर दिया. He forgave me. He forgave me. मुझे अभी थोड़ी नींद आ रही है. I am feeling a bit sleepy now. I am feeling a bit sleepy now. यह समस्या बहुत बड़ी है. This problem is very big. This problem is very big. वह जल्दी वापस आ जाएगा. He will come back soon. He will come back soon. क्या तुम्हारे पास कोई योजना है? Do you have any plan? Do you have any plan? वह आज नहीं आ सकता. He can't come today. He can't come today. हम इसे अभी नहीं कर सकते. We can't do this now. We can't do this now. मुझे इसे समझने में परेशानी हो रही है. I am having trouble understanding this. I am having trouble understanding this. यह तुम्हारा काम है. This is your job. This is your job. वह एक बहुत अच्छा इंसान है. He is a very good person. He is a very good person. उसने मुझसे कुछ कहा था. He said something to me. He said something to me. मुझे इस बारे में कोई जानकारी नहीं है. I have no information about this. I have no information about this. क्या तुमने मुझसे मजाक किया? Did you joke with me? Did you joke with me? यह समय की बर्बादी है. This is a waste of time. This is a waste of time. वह बहुत ईमानदार है. He is very honest. He is very honest. क्या तुम मुझ पर भरोसा करते हो? Do you trust me? Do you trust me? मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. I don't want anything. I don't want anything. वह हमेशा समय पर आता है. He always comes on time. He always comes on time. मुझे यह काम करने में बहुत मजा आया. I enjoyed doing this work. I enjoyed doing this work. यह हमारी आखिरी मुलाकात है. This is our last meeting. This is our last meeting. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा. I don't understand. I don't understand. मुझे देखने दो. Let me see. Let me see. मूर्ख मत बनो. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. बहुत देर हो चुकी है. It's too late. It's too late. यह काबिले तारीफ है. He is worth praising. He is worth praising. मेरा पेट आज खराब है. My stomach is upset today. My stomach is upset today. झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie. Don't lie. आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? What are you thinking? What are you thinking? उसकी इतनी हिम्मत, हाउ डेयर ही, हाउ डेयर ही। थोड़ी देर और रुक जाओ, स्टे अ लिटिल लॉन्गर, स्टे अ लिटिल लॉन्गर। तुमने ऐसा जानबूझकर किया, यू डिड दिस डिलाइबरेटली, यू डिड दिस डिलाइबरेटली। वह एक जिद्दी बच्चा है, he is a stubborn child, he is a stubborn child। मैंने आपको उल्लू बनाया, I tricked you, I tricked you। कुछ कहने की जरूरत नहीं है, no need to say anything, no need to say anything। मुझे रुलाओ मत, don't make me cry, don't make me cry। इतना मेरे लिए काफी है, that's enough for me, that's enough for me। बारिश कब होगी, when will it rain, when will it rain। यह संघर्ष करने का समय है, it is time to struggle, it is time to struggle। क्या आपको समझ आया, did you get it, did you get it। मेरा खाना खाने का मन नहीं कर रहा है, I don't feel like eating, I don't feel like eating। जरा देखने तो दो, let me have a look, let me have a look। इसे ले लो, take it, take it। कोई समस्या नहीं, no problem, no problem। इसे बंद करो, turn it off, turn it off। शांत हो जाओ, calm down, calm down। तुम कहाँ हो, where are you, where are you। मुझे कॉल मत करो, don't call me, don't call me। इसे वापस करो, give it back, give it back। यह क्यों हुआ, why did this happen, why did this happen। यह तो ठीक नहीं है, this is not fair, this is not fair। अपना स्वभाव बदलो, change your behavior, change your behavior। यह काम करो, do this job, do this job। सब कुछ ठीक है, everything is fine, everything is fine। वह बहुत अच्छा है, he is very good, he is very good। हमें जाना है, we have to go, we have to go। यह मुश्किल है, this is difficult, this is difficult। मुझे वह पसंद है, I like that, I like that। यह आसान है, this is easy, this is easy। क्या तुम समझे, did you understand, did you understand। इसे वहीं रखो, keep it there, keep it there। वह कहाँ है, where is she, where is she। हमें जल्दी करना है, we have to hurry, we have to hurry। मुझे बुलाओ, call me, call me। तुम कहाँ थे, where were you, where were you। इसे ठीक करो, fix it, fix it। इसे अभी ले लो, take it now, take it now। मुझे और चाहिए, I need more, I need more। वह यहाँ नहीं है, he is not here, he is not here। यह बहुत अच्छा है, this is very good, this is very good। तुमने क्या किया, what did you do, what did you do। इसे बाद में करो, do it later, do it later। मुझे तुम्हारी मदद चाहिए, I need your help, I need your help। हमें उसे बुलाना है. We have to call him. We have to call him. क्या तुमने कोशिश की? Did you try? Did you try? कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Something is fishy. Something is fishy. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. तमीज से बात करो. Talk with manners. Talk with manners. मुझे वहां ले चलो. Take me there. Take me there. मुझे घर ले चलो. Take me home. Take me home. आगे आगे चलो. Walk ahead. Walk ahead. मैं जा रहा हूँ. I am leaving. I am leaving. संभल के. Watch out. Watch out. ये सब आपका है. It's all yours. It's all yours. काम करना बंद करो. Stop working. Stop working. तुम गुस्सा क्यों हो? Why are you angry? Why are you angry? मुझे परेशान मत करो. Don't annoy me. Don't annoy me. कृपया अंदर आएं. Please get in. Please get in. यह किसने किया? Who did it? Who did it? यह तुम्हारी जिम्मेदारी है. It's your duty. It's your duty. तुमने अच्छा काम किया. You did a good job. You did a good job. बातों को घुमाओ मत. Don't twist the words. Don't twist the words. एक महीना हो गया है. It has been a month. It has been a month. अगली बार. Next time. Next time. पिछली बार. Last time. Last time. बिल्कुल. Of course. Of course. मेरी गर्दन में दर्द है. My neck hurts. My neck hurts. मैंने पहले ही खा लिया. I ate already. I ate already. आकर बैठो. Come and sit. Come and sit. एक तरफ हट जाओ. Move aside. Move aside. मैं वादा करता हूँ. I promise. I promise. मैं परेशानी में हूँ. I am in trouble. I am in trouble. मेरे साथ पंगे मत लो. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. वह बहुत घमंडी है. He is so arrogant. He is so arrogant. मैं आपको परेशान नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. तुम अभी तक यहीं पर हो? You are still here. You are still here. ध्यान से देखो. Watch carefully. Watch carefully. रोना बंद करो. Stop crying. Stop crying. सीधे होकर बैठो. Sit up straight. Sit up straight. ये सब तुम्हारी गलती है. This is all your fault. This is all your fault. कृपया करके धीरे बोलिए. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. बाद में याद दिलाना, रिमाइंड मी लेटर, रिमाइंड मी लेटर। तुम बहुत बातूनी हो, यू आर वेरी टॉकेटिव, यू आर वेरी टॉकेटिव। मेरी बात सुनो, लिसन टू मी, लिसन टू मी। यह कब हुआ, when did it happen, when did it happen। इसे मिटाओ, erase it, erase it। तुम इधर उधर क्या देख रहे हो, what are you looking around for, what are you looking around for। आप नाराज हैं क्या, आर यू एंग्री, आर यू एंग्री। थोड़ा सा भी नहीं, नॉट इवन अ लिटिल बिट, नॉट इवन अ लिटिल बिट। कितने दुख की बात है, हाउ ट्रैजिक, हाउ ट्रैजिक। बिल्कुल भी नहीं, नॉट द लीस्ट, नॉट द लीस्ट। जुबान पर काबू रखो, होल्ड योर टंग, होल्ड योर टंग। मुंह मत बनाओ, डोंट मेक फेसेस, डोंट मेक फेसेस। भरोसा रखो, कीप ट्रस्ट, कीप ट्रस्ट। उन्हें सब कुछ बता दो, टेल देम एवरीथिंग, टेल देम एवरीथिंग। गाड़ी रोको, स्टॉप द कार, स्टॉप द कार।